Hi. So, many are wondering, how much do you lose when selling a house as is? So, putting an exact dollar amount to how much you would lose selling your house as is cannot accurately be estimated. The actual dollar amount varies depending on the condition of your house and how bad it is, how poor the condition is. It also depends on the sales prices in your area, in your local market. But here are some important things to keep in mind if you want to sell your house as is. You may get fewer offers than you would if you had some updates done to your home. One major thing to consider is lower profits. Homes that are sold as is will net lower profits than they would in typical home sales. The listing price you choose will mainly depend on the condition of the house and how much work will need to be done by the buyer to bring it up to standards once sold. The pool of buyers who are willing to take on the challenges of updating a property is much smaller. Most buyers will steer clear of houses selling as is, since lenders typically won't approve mortgages for homes that are in extreme disrepair or considered a fixer-upper. So this is potentially limiting your buyers or potential buyers to investors, flippers, and the We Buy Houses companies. Now let's look on the flip side of that. Let's say you may not want to wait the weeks or months while repairs are being made. Well, selling your home as is, you don't have to worry about that. You can quickly list your home on the market without wasting any time at all. There's also a chance that your home may attract buyers who are willing to pay all cash. This will eliminate most of the steps in the closing process and help the transaction move very swiftly. Selling your home as is allows you to save money up front because you don't have to make any repairs or improvements to your home. But the trade-off to saving money on those repairs is that your home is going to most likely sell far below the market value. Okay? The cash buyers and the investors and flippers, they're typically paying cents on the dollar for homes that sell in as-is condition. So they're going to bargain you down. And you have to be upfront with these potential buyers. You have to show them that you're transparent and honest about your home. It will also help you weed out unserious buyers because you're open and transparent about the condition of your home from the beginning. You can even choose to get a pre-inspection report to lay out all the cards on the table. The report will typically cost $350 to $500, and it could alert you to any issues or repairs that will need to be made on the home, which can especially be helpful for investors and flippers. The trade-off to saving money on repairs is that your home will likely sell far below market value. Cash buyers typically would negotiate cents on the dollars for homes that sell in as-is condition. They're looking at the cost to rehab the home and bring the property back up to market standards and still have enough margin for profits. So, if you're looking to save some time or just sell it fast, right? You don't have to worry about waiting the weeks or months for repairs. You can quickly list your home on the market. All right? So, those are some of the things to consider. Think about it. Contact me if you have any questions.